Bago po ako pumunta sa barangay na ito, I was asked by the organizer, Madam Michael, to join this prestigious pageant. Ang sabi niya, simpleng barangay pageant lang. But when I saw the stage, when I saw the people, when I saw my co-candidates, and when I saw the judges, I thought Binibining Pilipinas yung sinalihan ko. I am just so thrilled and honored to be standing here in front of you tonight. In my humble heart, thank you so much for welcoming LGBT community in your barangay, municipality, and city. Sa layo-layo pa po ng Kamaligan, Camarines Sur, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? Joke lamang po. World without gays is like a stage without decoration. It would be ordinary, but not extraordinary. Simple, yet not amazing. A pleasant, wonderful evening, Barangay San Pedro, Municipality of Santo Domingo, Province of Albay. In front of you is a lady with effort, devotion, and smartness. I am 50% plastic, 20% oxygen, 20% hydrogen, and 10% human touch that brings me to life. You can see me at your favorite department store, but you cannot touch me, nor you cannot hold me. Because I am not for rent, and obviously not for sale. Because ladies and gentlemen, I am for your eyes only. You can take me for one night, so let's make the night be tonight. Standing in front of you is Miss Jill Dasa Orsine. I am your Queen of Daragang Magayon Albay 2016, Miss Trans Camarines Sur 2016, and Mutya ng Tabakla 2023 first runner-up. But tonight, all of those crowns does not matter, because all I want is to become your next Queen of San Pedro 2024. And since that this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of Miss Andrea Torres. Opo, Andrea Torres po ang babaeng nagmula sa langit, bumagsak sa lupa, nakashoot sa banga na may toyo at suka, sili at gata. Ba't di po natin gawing pananghalian at gawing pulutan sa gabing ito ang nag-iisang adobong bakla. Adobong bakla na mag-iiwan lamang po ng isang hindi bastos pero noting kasabihan para sa mga ilaw ng tahanan. Sa mga inang nanonood ngayon, alam niyo po ba ang iba't ibang uri ng itlog? Pag ang itlog pula, maalat yan. Pag ang itlog puti, sa manok yan. Pag ang itlog batik-batik, sa pugo yan. Pero paano pag ang itlog ay may buhok? Sa loob, balot yan. Pero paano naman daw po pag ang itlog ay brown? Don't panic, it's organic. A pleasant, wonderful evening, Barangay San Pedro, and I hope you enjoyed the show. I love you all.